Just as the song says, joy to the world. That's how these passengers react to the surprise treat that LRT officials have prepared for them. A train adorned with Christmas decors, this iconic Christmas Belen, and colorful Christmas lanterns. Even the handles and the poles inside the trains are wrapped like Christmas candy canes. At your service, these beaming security guards are your Santa Clauses. Passengers can't quite contain their excitement over the Yuletide ornaments.
Parang nasa bahay kami. Bigla naming naramdaman ambience. Pasko na pala. Kahit maraming problema. Pasko tuloy ang Pasko.
LRT has been notorious for a number of train woes, slamming doors and leaky ceilings, among others, that have caused commuter chaos and safety concerns. LRT officials assure the public improvements are underway. And true enough, some passengers noticed some service upgrades.
Nag-improve, oo. Tsaka mababait na yung yung mga guards.
Bakit dati hindi?
Naku, naka-encounter kami. Siyempre sa umaga, parating puno. Pero anyway, okay, nakakaupo pa din.
For most train commuters, the rush hour remains a painful experience. But with these cheerful ornaments and trimmings on board, the hassle of public transport is somewhat alleviated. After all, who doesn't get ecstatic about Christmas? Merry Christmas, everyone. Makoy Popyoko, CNN, Philippines.